Alright, so I just set this up. This Deluxe Simple Deluxe. Um, it's very simple to set up, and it's very quiet too. That's what I was really looking for. Of course, it comes with the remote. I was looking for that too, and it's really quiet. The other fans that I've gotten off of Amazon, on the lowest speed, it'd be really loud. But with this one, it's really quiet. And that's what I really like about it. This one is getting 5 stars.
This is broke. It's cracked. And I need another one sent to me. Here's the pieces. Yeah.
Hey Lexus, play my Dope Philly playlist.
Not sturdy.
Background for the dog. At Casper's death, the estate will pass into the hands of my only surviving relative, Thomas Craig.